And then actually, the neat thing about Sunwise is they have a great online tool. Actually, they have a great tool there that allows you to actually size it right online. Solar Reflection has a little chart you can do, so it'll say, hey, if your load is this big and you're in this region, because a couple of important things for the system to work correctly is you have to know what your load is and you have to know where you are. Obviously, because the load is the device consuming power, and the location is the amount of sunlight you're going to get, which is the device that produces the power that your load is then consuming. So those two things are the most critical. And again, a couple of these companies have some online tools which are pretty cool. Like I said, Sunwise and Solar Reflection that allow you to actually size it online, and you can click a button and it'll send you over to a system and it'll give you a price right there, and you can just go ahead and order right online. Don't even have to talk to somebody if you don't want to.
Thank you for joining this quick cut of Converge PoE, a live stream where we cover all the different topics you want to know about products that are coming onto Power over Ethernet or in ICT in general. Join us every other Tuesday for our live stream to talk to the experts yourself. Your comments matter. What you need to know is what we want to know. So join us every other Tuesday at 11 a.m. right here on your pick channel.